Now let's go over your address book. Addresses are used to serve as a physical location where users who have purchased a deal coupon from you can come and exchange their coupon for the promoted service or product. The registration form includes general information on a location and the contacts of a trusted person who can respond to the client's interest to your deal. The registration form includes the name or title of the merchant address. This can be any name, but keep in mind it will be visible for your potential buyers. If you are a registered business, the best advice is to register your physical locations or offices under the name of the street they are on, or just number them. For example, Flower Shop 1 or Flower Shop 2. If you are an individual seller, think of a name that would best work for you. Since you don't have registered offices, you can choose a name that is recognizable for you and you will be easy to reach. But we would like to remind you that this information will be visible on all the deals you use this address for. Make sure that the included information is relevant so that clients or customers can find you or reach you easily. The merchant address will be used as a separate business card. You can register as many addresses as you need. Each address can be assigned to more than one merchant profile from the second field, Businesses. It is crucial that you enter your address correctly in the merchant address form, as it will later be used to direct potential clients your way.